Welcome to the Octet channel. We've got some seriously jaw-dropping news to share with you today, and it's a tech nightmare you won't believe. So, stick around until the end because this affects all of us. Here's the deal. Tens of thousands of Android devices have been secretly shipping out with a devious little surprise. It's not your average tech glitch. It's a full-blown backdoor infiltration. Yeah, you heard me right. Your brand new Android smartphone, tablet, or even your CTV box might have been tampered with before it even reached your doorstep. It's like a spy thriller, but in real life. Who's behind all of this? Well, get this. It's all part of a global cybercriminal operation known as BadBox. It sounds like something straight out of a movie, but it's very real. BadBox's cunning plan? They're hacking into the supply chain to infect over 70,000 Android devices with a nasty little bug called Triada malware. I mean, they're basically taking our gadgets hostage. But that's not the worst part. These compromised devices have been found all over, even in public schools in the United States. Yeah, you heard me right. Our schools, our kids, they're all at risk. Triada, this sneaky malware, has been around since 2016, and it's like a digital ninja hiding in your device's memory. It's got special powers that let it mess with your apps. Not cool. And here's the kicker. These infected devices aren't just sitting around. BadBox is using them for some crazy ad fraud schemes, like one called PeachPit. At its peak, it had 121,000 Android and 159,000 iOS devices in its grasp. That's insane. Okay, here's where it gets even more interesting. BadBox can create hidden browser windows on your device to click on ads and make it look like it's coming from certain apps and websites. They're basically pulling off the ultimate tech heist. But it doesn't stop there, my friends. BadBox has a sneaky residential proxy module which lets them sell access to your network. I mean, talk about an invasion of your digital privacy. And here's the real kicker. They can remotely install new apps and code on your device without your permission. It's like someone's breaking into your house and redecorating while you're away. Not okay. Now, here's the good news. Our heroes over at Human Security have managed to disrupt the PeachPit ad fraud scheme. And, as we speak, the BadBox operators have taken down their servers, but they're probably plotting their next move. Now, what can you do to protect yourself? Well, it's not an easy cleanup job. The backdoor is deeply hidden in the device's firmware, and most of the affected devices are budget-friendly ones. So, when you're shopping for new gadgets, go for the trusted, familiar brands. Your digital safety is worth it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video as eye-opening as I did, make sure to hit that like button and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech news, tips, and tricks. Until next time, stay safe in the digital world, and catch you in the next video.